How to comment a photo in TikTok. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started without any further delay. First thing first, you have to launch your TikTok app. Get logged into your specific TikTok account and you have to also find a post where you would like to reply with a photo. In my case, I will be choosing this specific post. Tap on the comment button. You will see various comments. Now you have to select a comment where you would like to reply. In my case, let's go ahead and reply this person's comment. Tap on reply. You will see a video icon. All you have to do is tap onto it and you have to tap on this gallery section. It will open up your gallery. From here, select a photo where you would like to reply. Tap on next. Tap on next again. And now all you have to do is tap on post and it will be posted replying this person and their comment. Just like so guys, this is how you can do the same as well. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.